The Home Serve Guide to Repairing Holes in Plasterboard. Plaster walls, although popular home building materials, are notoriously easy to damage. Door handles, elbows and moving furniture are all great at putting holes in plasterboard walls. Holes which, thankfully, only take an hour or so to patch up. Stumped as to how to do it? Don't worry, we at HomeServe are here to show you how. Here's what you will need: filler, wire mesh, string, wood or pencils, a wet cloth, fine sandpaper. Step 1. Small holes. Small holes can be filled in with one application of filler. Scrape around the inside edge of the hole to remove any loose plaster and dampen the hole and surrounding area. Fill the hole with the patching material and leave to dry for several hours before sanding the area flush with the wall. Step 2. Large holes. For a large hole, start by preparing the area as you would with a smaller hole. Then get a piece of wire mesh larger than the hole and thread a length of string or wire through the center. Place it inside the hole and use the wire to pull it against the inside. To hold it there, find a thin piece of wood longer than the width of the hole. Paint stirrers or pencils work well, and twist the string securely around it to pull the mesh backing tight against the opening. Step 3. Re-plaster. Wipe the inside and mesh lightly with a wet cloth and apply the first coat of plaster, forcing it through the mesh and covering the edges of the hole to anchor it. After the first layer is dry, untwist the string and remove the pencil before applying the second coat to fill in the hole completely. Once the area has dried, sand it flat. It is now ready to be primed and painted. Okay, all done. But if you're still not quite sure how to do it, or you fancy doing something else with your time, why not give us a call to help you out?